for balls down the street. C is for car, beep, beep, go. D is for doll, pretty bell. E is for egg, white and small. F is for frog, jumps so tall. G is for goat, likes to play. H is for horse, runs all day. I is for ice cream, cold and nice. J is for juice, made from rice. K is for kite, flies up high. L is for leaf, falls from sky. M is for moon, shines at night. N is for nest, birds delight. O is for orange, round and sweet. P is for pigeon, flies on street. Q is for queen, wears a crown. R is for rain, falling down. S is for sun, bright and round. T is for tree, roots in ground. U is for umbrella, keeps us dry. V is for van, drives on by. W is for water, cool and clear. X is for box, full of cheer. Y is for yak, big and strong. Z is for zebra, stripes all along. A, B, C, now we all know. Learning letters helps us grow.
Sing with Baby Melon, hip hip hooray!